Hello everyone, you're welcome to another great video. Iyke Phelim here, Iyke Phelim Adventure Series. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how I cook snail. The botanical name for this particular breed I have in my garden, they are called Achatina acacatina. Yeah, so they are all over my place. I am not cultivating them, I am not breeding them. I think the wild population around me is making them come into my premises, and they are finding a safe haven here, so they just stay here and breed. And they're getting too much. They're also destroying my crops at night. They come out at night and they destroy my seedlings especially. So it's time to harvest them. When we harvest them, we cook them. They become a beautiful, sumptuous snack, substitute for meat. And I really love them. They taste so great. So today I'll be teaching you how I cook snails. It's really delicious. You really need to watch till the end so you learn the process step by step, from how to remove the snails from their shell, which is a very important process, to the point where you have to take away the slime. Then you cook and all until you have this beautiful snack, meaty snail snack. You can eat and enjoy with whatever drink you like and have fun. And don't forget, it is a very nutritious snack. Snails are nutritious, they are very good. And that slime also, from articles I've read, they are used for skincare. That will be covered in another video. But for now, let's go to the cooking, okay? So I'm going to be cooking snails for you today, and I'll show you the process step by step. So stay till the end and enjoy the process with me. Enjoy the adventure with me. Do not fail to hit that like button, please, and subscribe, please. Thank you. Iyke Phelim here, Iyke Phelim Adventure. Okay, after a quick harvest, morning time harvest, this is what we have. Achatina acacatina. There are so many of them in my garden, so let's munch them away. Step 1. Put them into a pot, add clean water, and boil them. Step 2. After the water has boiled, we get the snail off their shells. You get something like a toothpick. Use it to pull out the snail from the shell. Just like that. That's a stubborn one. You get it out of his shell. That is how we take out the snails from the shell. Step 3. We rinse with salt. You can see all that slimy snail slime. Get them off by using the salt. Get off all the slime from the snails using salt. And this snail slime is very good for skincare. A lot of people use it for skincare, use it for making their skin smooth and all that, but here we want to cook these snails and eat them, so bye bye slime, bye bye snail. Okay, so next is step 4. And the next step is to season our snail. Yes, we use different seasoning. Add some salt. Add some ginger, thyme, garlic, that's some ginger powder, that's thyme, and this is curry. I'll put it on the fire for it to cook. Our snail snack is almost ready. Steaming. Okay, so while the snail and the seasoning is cooking, we prepare some peppers. We need to blend this pepper and add it to the snail. Okay, so now we have blended the pepper with some onions, and this is the blended mix. So we're going to go into the cooking snail, seasoned. Looking delicious. Okay, so our snail meal is ready. Had to transfer it into this non-stick bowl and added some oil with the pepper and fried it a bit, and this is the result. Very lovely and healthy snack. Very lovely and healthy snack. Delicious snack. So this is how I prepare snail meal. I harvest them from my garden. I get them off their shells by boiling and using stuff to poke them out. I wash off the slime using salt. Then season and boil again. Then fry with pepper and granulated then fry it with pepper. So this is the result. Very rich, very yummy. Very rich and very nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.